Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for January 12th, going into the 13th. We're going to start off with the S&P 500. We've been bullish overall from 3502. We've seen 3,515.5 points coming into the open and a little bit more than that today with new highs. We had gotten bearish from the break below this line, but didn't see much follow through and then broke back above it, which renews bullishness. Further decent trade above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 70.14.31 plus 34 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Tuesday. One of continued strength. I would also note, just on a macro level, we're still up underneath this main, the bottom portion of this main exhaustion level, which is basically comprised of two different levels. One comes in at 69.91 and a quarter, and the top one comes in at 72.99 and a half. We had broken below this line and back above it, failed back down through here, but did not hit the stop below it, even though we broke below this other charts line up in here. So this is actually still intact. A decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 69.40.54. Plus 44 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That will project this downward over 100 points. Okay, in the gold, left the gap open higher on the day, made new all-time highs. We've been bullish overall since August 16, 2018, from 1183. We've seen 3,429 per ounce coming into today, and more than that with a new high of 46.40.50. I did caution, I'm not going to go over all these other calls in here, but I did caution in here and note we are likely in the last stretch of the triple time frames from the move up from 16.18.30, 39.01.30, and 32.84.30. And we're held this lower one right here at 46.43.10 with the 46.40.50 high, which we had a self-suggestion there. This is basically an exhaustion area from the lower time frame to the medium time frame between 46.43.10 and 46.70. Between 46.64.90 and 47.06.20, that is a medium and higher time frame general exhaustion zone here. And then we have a medium to lower time frame exhaustion above at 47.69.20 to 47.84.10. If we do break above this line here decently, that's going to warrant a decent strength, but we're going to, then again, we're going to be right into this medium to higher time frame exhaustion zone. If we did happen to blow through that, I would be paying attention to this upper portion here at 47.05 to 47.06.20. A maintained gap lower tomorrow would leave a minor bearish reversal above, which would be more effective if/when we take out 45.27. And a bearish correction on a minor level would exceed likely $90 an ounce from the 46.40.50 level if we happen to roll over into a bearish correction against that. And if this got into a larger bearish correction, that would be $300 an ounce plus. And an even higher time frame bearish correction could exceed 400. So I would definitely be paying attention up here. These are ideal zones for this market to turn around and hold to make a fairly significant triple time frame bearish correction. We could always launch up the higher levels, but these are the ones that we got to monitor right now. Above those, it's pretty clear up into these levels up here. If we happen to come down, we fell down below this formation down here, which is going to come in at 44.7630 plus 10 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Tuesday. That would warrant decent pressure. For at least 150 to the downside. In the Bitcoin, just been consolidating here the past couple of days. Been bullish overall from 16,275. We've seen 110,965. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Trade below 124, 228, brought in 43,478 pressure. Then we had a number of lower time frame back and forth calls in here. Then more recently, the trade below 91, 259 said now warns a renewed pressure. And decent trade below this formation right here will warn of continued pressure. That's going to come in at 96.47 plus 17 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Decent break below there. We'll project this downward. 2,000 minimum. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.